Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to live stream your football games to YouTube and Facebook using an application called the BT Football Camera application as shown here on the screen. You can get it on the App Store for your iPhone and iPad devices. As well, it's available on the Google Play Store if you have Android devices. With that said, you can optionally remote control the camera application with the BT Football Controller application as shown here. And that is also available on the iPhone and the Android store as shown. Okay, so with that said, let's get into the tutorial on how to live stream using the BT camera application, which is on the left side here. As you can see, it's a recording application that has score overlay with your home and away score, your game clock, as well as the down in the game. Current down in the game. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do to set up our live stream is click on the bottom right icon there. That will bring up this menu where you can select if you want to save to a file, live stream only, or let's say live stream and save the file. So here we're going to choose, let's say live stream only for today. Okay. And the next thing you need to do in order to set up your live stream is fill in the RTMP URL as well as the stream key. Alright, so once you do those two things, pretty much you're ready to go and you're ready to live stream. But the thing here is, how do you get those, let's say, parameters? Well, it's different for each platform. So let's say for YouTube, let's go to our YouTube page. And on the top right here, we want to click on Go Live. Alright, wait for that to load. Alright, so for YouTube, your RTMP URL is seen right here, called the stream URL. So what we want to do is copy that into the app, right? So since I'm using a Mac and an iPhone, I can do a copy paste into the phone. If you're using an Android, perhaps email yourself the URL so that you can copy and paste it into the phone instead of having to manually type it. Alright, so I'm going to copy, and in my phone here, I'm going to paste. And if you are manually typing the URL, make sure that you double, quadruple check that there's no typos, because any small typo means your live stream is not going to work. Alright, so after filling in our RTMP URL, the next thing we want to do is fill in our stream key. Alright, so the stream key here on YouTube can be seen in the field called stream key. Alright, you can't see my mouse here, but it's called stream key and it's all blacked out. You can't see this actual stream key. I can actually reveal the stream key with the eyeball here. But the reason that it's blacked out is because you want to keep that stream key secret. Anybody with the stream key can technically stream to your channel. Alright, so we're also going to copy this to the app in the field called stream key. Alright, and also make sure if you're manually typing this in that you quadruple check it, because any small mistake again will result in your app not streaming properly. Alright, so again, Mac and iPhone I can copy and paste, but let's say Android, I recommend emailing yourself these parameters, and then on your phone you can pull up your email app and just copy paste in that manner. Alright, so now that we have our RTMP URL as well as our stream key entered into the app, then we're just pretty much going to click done here and save and close. And now once we start the record button here, then it should start the live stream feed in this preview in YouTube on the right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click start record. And within a few seconds, or depending on how fast your internet speed is, you should see the live stream. Okay, so there you go. On the top right here, we can see that our live stream is indeed live streaming. There will be a little bit of a delay, again, depending on your internet speed. So you can see I'm moving my hand in and out here. That should appear on the screen within a few seconds, as you can see. And this pretty much just sets up the live stream, let's say preview, but in order to actually begin live streaming on your public page, you're gonna need to, I believe there's a button somewhere here. You can't see it. This chat window is covering it, but you'll need to perform just a few more steps to actually publish your live stream to YouTube. All right, but it's as simple as that to set up the stream URL and the stream key to get the feed onto YouTube. All right, so with that said, we're gonna go to Facebook now. All right, Facebook. And how do we set up live stream for Facebook? Well, again, we just have to find two parameters. That's your RTMP URL and your RTMP stream key. All right, so regardless of what platform you use, let's say Instagram or any other platform that has the RTMP protocol, this is pretty much all you're gonna do is find the stream URL and the stream key. All right, so for Facebook, I'm gonna click on live video here. All right, and since I'm just making a video here and I don't actually want to live stream, I'm gonna enable this option called create a test broadcast before going live. If you're actually going live, please do not enable this, okay? So after this, you're gonna click go live. All right, wait for that to load. And here, make sure that you have streaming software selected. Here, don't select webcam. All right, select streaming software and scroll down a bit. Here's our stream key, but we want to find our URL first, just for completeness. An option I recommend is persistent stream key, so enable persistent stream key. If that's not enabled on Facebook, then anytime you start a new stream, then you're gonna have to re-enter a new stream key into the app. All right, so enable persistent stream key. And finally, our server URL is kind of hiding here in this little field because I pretty much have my window kind of squeezed. But click copy for the server URL, and we're going to do the same thing in the app now. Okay, copy over to the stream URL and copy over the stream key. I'm actually going to stop my previous live stream that I had to YouTube, and now I'm going to go to the bottom right icon for the video settings again, and now I'm going to clear this RTMP URL and copy and paste in my Facebook one. Okay, there it is. And then copy and paste in the stream key here. All right, and I should be ready to go. Click save and close. Actually, a note on Facebook specifically, make sure you select H.264 for the encoder type, okay? Because currently, or as far as I know, currently right now, Facebook only works with H.264 and not the HEVC encoder, all right? So select H.264 there, save and close, and we should be ready to go. I'm gonna scroll up here and click record. And there you go. You can see the live feed preview beginning there. I'm going to wave my hand around just to confirm that we are indeed live streaming. There it is. A little bit of a delay time as usual. And for Facebook, make sure that you fill out the post details and actually click the go live button to actually publish the live stream to your page. Some users may get confused that they get to this step and they think that live stream is ready on their page, but you will also need to complete the post details and click the go live button. All right. So with that said, that was the live stream tutorial for the BT football camera application today. I didn't go into detail on the app itself, but hopefully we can do that in another tutorial. And with that said, hope this helps your football games. Now you can live stream your football games with a nice score overlay to all of your favorite social platforms. All right, thank you very much and see you next time.